Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Honda Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats, CD player, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, security system, trip computer, power windows, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.